In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer, as we stand behind our guarantee for 5-star customer service. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We are excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.